I'm sure you've heard before that chemical pesticides are bad for us and the environment, but is there actual science behind this? Back in the 1940s, an apparently magical chemical was introduced called DDT. It was sprayed everywhere because it killed mosquitoes, which were big sources of disease. When DDT would affect birds like the bald eagle, what happened is when they would lay an egg, the shell would be too thin, causing the egg to crack prematurely. Even though we learned it was dangerous in 1962, it wasn't actually banned until 72. More recently, farmers were spraying a chemical called chlorpyrifos. This chemical is also great at killing bugs, but it had the unfortunate side effect of causing brain damage in children. It stayed legal here in the United States for over 20 years until finally being banned in 2021. But Rob, are there any chemicals that we still use today that we know are bad? Yes, there are, and there are two big ones. The first one is glyphosate, more commonly known as Roundup, which has been known to probably cause cancer since 2015. And there's also a chemical called atrazine, which has been banned in Europe since 2004. But here in the United States, we still use it, even though it's been linked to hormone imbalances. The way I like to look at this, I feel is pretty reasonable. Why wait decades for the government to finally catch up with the sciences and say that these things need to be banned? When we can grow with systems that don't need to use harmful chemicals at all.